Sorry this is done on the camera, but I don't have any other way. So this is our print area. This is the shape that we want to do. We just need to go in and unite lines, click OK, and then we want to change the mode to cut, and we are using 3mm acrylic, so that's power 65, speed 20 to 25, and that is based on these settings that people have already found. So if we click OK, we put our card in, which identifies it is, and then we can download. So that's now sent to the laser. We put our material on, and then we use some magnets on the corners. So just the magnets on the corners, just hold it down. And we can use the cursors to position the laser. To our start position. Z-axis up and down, get the focus on the laser, so that's point is okay. So that's now set up, it's in position, it's focused, so we can do a test. So now when we do a test, the laser will move around the area that we want to cut. So, just going to bring that down a little bit. Let's test it again. Okay, so that's good, that means everything's in the right place. We close our lid and we click start. So that's it. It's quite a simple thing that we've done. Just give it a few minutes for the gas fumes to exhaust out. So yeah, that looks good. It looks like they've cut all the way through. these three templates for our detail router. This one for a handle, this one is just for a straight line, and hopefully this one is for our marquee recess in the coin door. So that's it. Next time we see this, we'll be testing it out at the workshop. So I've just put the smaller bit in. I'm just going to do the test again, and we'll just check the measurements on this one. Alright, it's okay that way, but it's still a fraction too big that way. Okay, I will make some adjustments. I think this just needs to be reduced by 5 mil, so 2.5 mil on either side, and that would then give us a good space. I've just come back from the hack space and I've recut my template. I've also cut what should be the right size marquee, 419 by 114. I've done my test and it looks about right, close enough. So I'm just trying to get this lined up so that it's the correct amount of space all around. Before we go too far, I'm just going to do the 4 corners on a very low height. That looks pretty good. So our marquee will fit in. So we can see the marks that we just made. So I think we have to go for it. Yeah, so that's looking good. We can chisel those last bits out or go over with the router again. So that will sit, the actual marquee will sit in there, and then we'll use some of those screws that I used on the speaker grill. Adjust the router so it's not cutting so much at the start, and do a few passes like before. It's a bit rough, but we can round the corners over. So there we have some really rough handles, so we just need to tidy that up now. Okay, so we have the round over bit in now. So we're just going to I'm not going to lie, they're not my best work. This is just going to be a small vent. It's just enough to let some air through.